For question 1, explain which of the Common Core resources you found on the Spark website may be valuable and why. I think the aspect of reading for Common Core is such a huge point of emphasis, especially with today's youth. Students today can barely read, but they know how to use technology like it's second nature. With the use of reading in PE, students are able to create signs that can be used during class sessions, and they can find alternative resources for lessons being done. For question 2, how could you adapt your coaching or lesson plans to incorporate all components of the 4 C's: community, collaboration, creativity, critical thinking? I can adapt my coaching or lesson plans to incorporate all components of the 4 C's by sprinkling in a little bit of each one into my teachings. For communication, I always make sure that my athletes or students understand the material before I throw them into a game/practice scenario or give them a chance to apply what they learned into an assignment or assessment. When it comes to collaboration, my athletes have full access to game film so they can look at it on their own time while also having the capability to ask me questions about something with a direct message. My students have access to my work email so they can ask me questions anytime, but I also tell them to give me time to respond to their questions, usually 24 hours. When it comes to creativity, I always encourage ingenuity and outside-the-box thinking because maybe everyone can learn something they already know through a different set of lenses. Critical thinking is the most important, at least in my opinion. This is because if an athlete or student can't think on the fly or explain the reasoning behind something he or she does, then we, as teachers and coaches, have failed them. Our students need to be able to understand the material being taught, apply it to a situation, and then evolve from it.